Let's make an avocado slime. First, we need our glow-in-the-dark slime. But I just made, which is why my hands are so messy. And it was like a tealish kind of color, so I dyed it neon green. Just to give it more of that avocado-y look. I let it spread out, and then we have our clay avocado. Put that on. Next, I'm going to use these brown large foam beads as the pit of the avocado. And of course, we cannot forget the avocado sprinkles and funnels. Messy is a good thing, right? This is going to make a big mess. I already know it. I wonder if this will still glow after everything is mixed in. This slime, considering that I made it from scratch, is so squishy, so stretchy, and the add-ins and the overall design of this was too cute. What would you rate this slime out of 10? Let me know down in the comments. And let me know when I open my slime shop if I should sell this slime in my shop. I'm thinking it's a yes because this was a really adorable and cute slime. And we have to do the glow test. Okay, we are in my closet. Yes. This slime glows so well. I actually think the clay made it even brighter. This passes the glow test. I would rate this slime, honestly, a 9 out of 10. Just because of the smell, and it just smells a little bit toxic. And not just because of the glue, how it has that glow-in-the-dark scent. But I think that this slime was really nice. And like I said earlier, considering the fact that I made this is pretty impressive because I'm not an expert slime maker and I use my hands. I don't have a mixer. But yeah, the slime came out really well. And just let me guys know what you think. Bye guys. Also, this also looks like guacamole. So what should